Welcome to our home decorating series. Today, we'll be tackling the challenge of transforming a kitchen dining living room combo into a stylish and functional space. We have an array of components to work with, including a kitchen island, kitchen cabinets, dining table, dining chairs, living room sofa, coffee table, entertainment center, area rug, pendant lights, track lighting, bar stools, bookshelves, curtains or blinds, sideboard or buffet, wall shelves, accent chairs, console table, wall art, folding or extendable dining table, and kitchen appliances. Let's get started. The first step is to create zones for each area: kitchen, dining, and living room. Start by placing the kitchen island at the center to act as a divider between the kitchen and living room. Arrange the kitchen cabinets against one wall for easy access while cooking. Next, position the dining table near the kitchen, leaving enough space for comfortable movement. Place the living room sofa facing the dining area to create a seamless transition. Lighting is crucial to set the right ambience. Install pendant lights above the dining table for a focused glow during meals. Add track lighting along the living room area to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The combination of these lights will provide the perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics. For the dining area, complement the dining table with comfortable and stylish dining chairs. Now, let's move to the kitchen island. Add bar stools to create a casual dining spot and encourage interaction between the kitchen and living room. In the living area, place accent chairs and a console table to enhance the seating arrangement. Utilize the bookshelves to display decorative items, books, and personal touches in the living room area. The sideboard or buffet can be placed against a wall in the dining section to store dining essentials and serve as a display surface. Add wall shelves in the kitchen for extra storage without sacrificing floor space. Now comes the fun part: decorating. Hang wall art strategically around the room to add personality and style. Place an area rug under the living room furniture to define the space and create a cozy environment. Lastly, add some greenery and decorative elements to complete the look. One of the advantages of this combo space is its versatility. Consider using a folding or extendable dining table to save space when not hosting guests. Additionally, choose curtains or blinds that complement the overall color scheme while providing privacy when needed. And there you have it. With careful space planning, appropriate lighting, comfortable seating, smart storage, and creative decor choices, your kitchen dining living room combo is now a beautiful and functional space. Feel free to mix and match the components based on your personal taste and lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!